The C programming language. Facts about C. C is a general-purpose, high-level language that was originally developed by Dennis M. Ritchie at Bell Labs. C was originally first implemented on the DEC PDP-11 computer in 1972. The Unix OS was totally written in C. Linux OS, RDBMS, MySQL and C compiler have been written in C. So C is called as a system development language. The program we write is called the source program. It should be saved as filename.c. This source program is then compiled by the compiler. Compiler produce an executable program that our computer can actually understand and run or execute. Use of upper and lower case. The C language is case dependent. The compiler distinguishes between small letters and capital letters. If a letter is typed in the wrong case, the compiler will complain and it will not produce an executable program. Structure of a C program. Documentation section. Link section. Definitions section. Global declaration section. Main functions section. Subprograms section. Let's learn the structure of a C program with an example. Documentation section. The documentation section consists of a set of comment lines which gives the name of the program, the author and other details. In C, we can create single-line comment using 2/ and create multi-line comment using ****. These lines are ignored by the compiler. Link section. The link section provides instructions to the compiler to link functions from the system library by using the #include directive. In this example, the standard input-output file is linked. Definitions section. The definitions section defines all symbolic constants by using their #define directive. Global declaration section. There are some variables that are used in more than one function. Such variables are called global variables and are declared in the global declarations section. In this example, we are declaring a global variable n, and we are declaring an user-defined function. Main functions section. Every C program must have one main function. This section contains two parts. Declaration part, and executable part. Declaration part. The declaration part declares all variables used in the executable part. Executable part. There is at least one statement in the executable part. These two parts must appear between the opening and closing braces. The program execution begins at the opening brace and ends at the closing brace. The closing brace of the main function is the logical end of the program. All statements in the declaration and executable part end with a semicolon. Subprograms section. The subprograms section contains all the user-defined functions. User-defined functions are declared in the global declarations section. They are called in the main function. They are generally placed immediately after the main function. The symbols, which are used to perform logical and mathematical operations in a C program, are called C operators. Types of operators: arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, assignment operators, special operators, arithmetic operators. The table shows the arithmetic operators used in the C language. For example, consider variable A is 10 and variable B is 20. The table shows how the arithmetic operators does operations on variable A and B. Addition operator adds two operands. Subtraction operator subtracts second operand from the first. Multiplication operator multiplies both operands. Division operator divides numerator by denominator. Modulus operator finds the remainder after an integer division. Increment operator increases the integer value by 1. Decrement operator decreases the integer value by 1. Relational operators. The table shows the relational operators used in the C language. For example, consider variable a is 5 and variable b is 10. The tables shows how the relational operators does operations on variable a and b. Equal to operator checks if the values of two operands are equal or not. If yes, then the condition becomes true. Not equal to operator checks if the values of two operands are equal or not. If the values are not equal, then the condition becomes true. Greater than operator checks if the value of left operand is greater than the value of right operand. If yes, then the condition becomes true. Less than operator checks if the value of left operand is less than the value of right operand. If yes, then the condition becomes true. Greater than and equal to operator checks if the value of left operand is greater than or equal to the value of right operand. If yes, then the condition becomes true. Less than and equal to operator checks if the value of left operand is less than or equal to the value of right operand. If yes, then the condition becomes true. Logical operators. The table shows the logical operators used in the C language. For example, consider variable a is 1 and variable b is 0. The tables shows how the logical operators does operations on variable a and b. Logical and operator. If both the operands are non-zero, then the condition becomes true. Logical or operator. If any of the two operands is non-zero, then the condition becomes true. Logical not operator. If a condition is true, then logical not operator will make it false. Bitwise operators. Bitwise operator works on bits and perform bit-by-bit operation. The table lists the bitwise operators supported by C, bitwise and bitwise OR, bitwise exclusive OR, left shift, right shift. The truth tables for the bitwise operators is as follows. The bitwise shift operator shifts the bit value. The left operand specifies the value to be shifted, and the right operand specifies the number of positions that the bits in the value have to be shifted. Example: A equals 000100. B equals 2. A left shift B equals 01000000. A right shift B equals 000010. Assignment operators. Assignment operators supported by C language are shown in the table. Equal to operator assigns values from right side operand to left side operand. Plus equal to operator adds right operand to the left operand and assign the result to left. Minus equal to operator subtracts right operand from the left operand and assign the result to left operand. Multiplication equal to operator multiply left operand with the right operand and assign the result to left operand. Division equal to operator divides left operand with the right operand and assign the result to left operand. Modulus equal to operator. Calculate modulus using two operands and assign the result to left operand. Special operators. Special operators supported by C language are shown in the table. Size of operator returns the size of a variable. Ampersand. returns the address of a variable. Asterisk. Pointer to a variable. Question mark, colon. Is a conditional expression. If condition is true question mark. Then value x colon. Otherwise value y. Operator's precedence in C. Operator precedence determines the grouping of terms in an expression, and decides how an expression is evaluated. Certain operators have higher precedence than others. Within an expression, higher precedence operators will be evaluated first. Example. X equals 5 plus 3 times 2. Here, the value of x is 11, not 16. Because multiplication operator has a higher precedence than addition operator, operators with the highest precedence appear at the top of the table, those with the lowest appear at the bottom. Unary operators, conditional operators and assignment operators have right-to-left associativity. All other operators have left-to-right associativity.
Thank you for watching Make It Easy Education. Every week you will be notified with a new video. An easy way to learn more. So, don't forget to subscribe. If you like this video, share it.